Opel Vauxhall Astra H 1.6 petrol. If you have a rough idle, maybe you need to change a PCV valve. Here it is, the PCV valve. Now unscrew these 2 bolts and disconnect the cables. Pull to remove the electrical coil. Pull to remove these cables. And remove this hose. This hose, yes, this one. Now unscrew all the bolts. With 8mm socket. And after unscrewing, remove the cover. This is the positive crankcase ventilation valve. Heat it a little with a heat gun and remove it. Be careful, do not break the cover, only break the old valve. Put the new one on its place. Clean with cloth the cover. Put the new cover gasket. Clean with cloth, where I show you. Put the cover back on its place with the new valve and gasket. Screw the bolts as I show you. And after, tighten by hand. Put back the parts as I show. Tighten the 2 bolts. Connect the cables. Enjoy your better working engine. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe for more useful and unuseful videos.